preparing for Yoga Nidra, make sure that you have a yoga mat ready with you or a blanket. You can carry a small pillow, but do not lie down on the bed. That would take you into sleep. Bed is tamasic. It has a tamasic value, so it will take you into deep sleep. So while we practice Yoga Nidra, what you have to ensure is that the room is ventilated very well. There is a good air circulation. And for the next couple of minutes that we do Yoga Nidra, nobody is disturbing you. And keep your phones in silent mode. Keep your laptops, all of them away. So it's a journey to the self, where we will travel our senses inward. Okay, so we will go inward, and it's an inward journey. We have 5 koshas. The gross one is the Annamaya kosha, the gross body, the physical body. Annam means the food. This body is maintained by taking and consuming food. And the next kosha is Pranamaya kosha. And the next one is Manomaya kosha, the mind level. The next one is Vijnanamaya kosha, the intellect. The 5th kosha, the 5th sheath is Anandamaya kosha, the state of bliss. So in the process of Yoga Nidra, what happens? Usually our journey is from the gross to the subtle. But in the process of Yoga Nidra, we go to the subtle directly, where we become so blissful that the rest of the sheaths get an opportunity to cleanse. And you naturally become to go to a very pure state of consciousness. You become, your intellect gets purified, your mind becomes more active, and your prana becomes pure, and thus eliminating any disease in the gross body, that is Annamaya kosha. So for Yoga Nidra, what you have to do, you have to lie down, a posture called Shavasana. Lie down in Shavasana, everybody. It's okay if you cannot see the video, just follow the instructions. It is pretty much the same the way you lie down on the bed. But for Yoga Nidra, you are doing it on the yoga mat or a blanket or a mat, anything that is comfortable. So drop your entire body in Shavasana. In Shavasana, keep your feet slightly apart, around 8 to 10 inches between the feet, and let your feet fall aside. And take your hands slightly away, 1 foot away from the ground, and the palms are turned upward to the ceiling. Keep your head straight and your face is pointing to the ceiling. Adopt the Shavasana, keeping yourself relaxed. Be there for a couple of breaths. Let your body flop on the ground. Allow your body to become weightless. Like a bird feather, let it flop completely on the mat. Do not hold on anything. Let go of your body completely. Only when you are able to separate your body and the mind, then you get an path, the direction to go inward. So let your body completely relax on the mat. Take a couple of breaths and allow it for a moment to be completely relaxed on the mat. And for Yoga Nidra, we will keep our body completely still. Your body is completely immobile. If you want to do any kind of adjustments, to adjust your clothes, if you want to adjust your body posture, do them right away. Further, we will not move any part of our body. We will keep our body still as possible, completely immobile. We will keep our eyes completely closed and we will not be opening our eyes until the process of Yoga Nidra finishes. Lying down in a perfect stillness, keeping your eyes closed. Yoga Nidra is an act of feeling and is an act of hearing. You simply have to go through the instructions in a very subtle and a gentle manner. Yoga Nidra is not a sleep. While your body goes into a deep relaxation, we will rotate your consciousness through various parts of the body. The rotation of this consciousness uplifts the pranic energy. The rotation of this consciousness gets converted into the life force energy. We will become aware of few body parts. Awareness meaning either you visualize that body part or you feel the sensation, that's all. No movements are required in any part of the body. Take your mind, take a sankalpa in your mind that I will not move my body and I will not open my eyes. Take one more sankalpa that I am not going to sleep. I will keep myself awake. Once again, let us repeat in your mind, mentally repeat that I am not going to move my body and I am not going to open my eyes and I am completely awake and listening to the instructions. The process of Yoga Nidra begins. We will start from the right side. Become aware of your right foot, the complete right foot. Your right foot toes, the right big toe, the second toe, the third toe, fourth toe, and the fifth toe. All the toes together, the right foot toes, the right foot sole, the right heel, the right ankle, the complete right foot. Go as fast as I am going. Become aware of your complete right foot. Take a long and deep breath in. Breathe out, relax your right foot completely. One more long deep breath in. And slowly and gradually breathe out and relax your right foot completely. Take one more deep breath in while keeping your awareness on the right foot. Breathe in and breathe out. The right calf muscle, the right shin bone, the right knee, right thigh, the right hip, and the complete right leg. From your hip joint, from the right hip joint all the way up to the right foot toes. And again from the right foot toes all the way up to the right hip joint. Your consciousness and awareness is on the right leg. You are inhaling from your right foot toes all the way up to the right hip, and you are exhaling from the right hip all the way up to the right foot toes. Breathe in through your right leg as deep as you can, and breathe out through your right leg completely from the hip to the toes. while you are keeping your awareness and consciousness on the right leg, breathing from the toes to the hip and breathe out from the hip to the toes. And while you are inhaling and exhaling through your right leg, mentally start counting, breathing in from your toes to the hip joint, right hip joint, breathing mentally count 27. Breathe out from your hip to the right foot toes, mentally count 27. Breathe in from the right foot toes all the way up to the right hip, 26. And from the right hip all the way up to the right foot toes, 26. Breathe in 25. And breathe out 25. And continue to count down until 1. If you miss the count in between, restart from 27 again. Or if you finish counting all the way up to 1, again restart from 27. So in this practice, your awareness and consciousness is on the right leg, and your breath is going from the toes, right foot toes, all the way up to the right hip, and your mental counting. Only these three, nothing else apart from these three. Continue your mental counting and the awareness on the right leg and the breath, these three together. Now let go of the mental counting on the right leg. Relax the right leg completely. And slowly shift your awareness to the left leg. And become aware of your left foot, the complete left foot. The left foot toes, the left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and the fifth toe. The complete left foot toes, the left foot sole, the left heel, the left ankle, the complete left foot. And deeply inhale and exhale. Keep your awareness, consciousness on your left foot. Continue with the breath. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. One more deep breath in and breathe out. Your left calf muscle, the left shin bone, the left knee, the left thigh, and the left hip joint, the complete left leg, from the hip joint all the way up to the toes, and from the toes again all the way up to the hip joint. Breathe in from your toes all the way up to the hip, and breathe out from the hip to all the way to the toes. Continue with a couple of long and deep breaths Your awareness is only on the left leg completely. Breathe in deeply from the toes all the way up to the left hip joint. And breathe out from the left hip joint all the way up to the toes. Breathe in and breathe out. Now once again, while your awareness is on the left leg, you are continuing to breathe from the left foot toes to the left hip joint and mentally count 27. Breathe out from the hip joint all the way up to the toes and mentally count 27. Breathe in 26 and breathe out 26. Breathe in 25 and breathe out 25. Continue to count down until 1, keeping your awareness on the left leg. Your awareness is on the left leg and you are breathing deeply from the toes all the way up to the hip and breathing out from the hip to the toes, and you are mentally counting down. Only these 3 things, nothing else apart from these 3. Continue the countdown mentally on your left leg along with the breath and the awareness. If you miss the count, restart from 27 again. Now let go of the mental counting on the left leg and relax your both legs. Let go of your both legs. Breathe out if any tension on your legs. Let them completely relax and let us move the upward direction. Go to the lower abdomen, upper abdomen, navel center, the stomach which is above the navel on your left hand side, chest center, the right part of the chest, the left part of the chest, the complete chest region, the collarbones, shoulder joints, your arms, elbows, forearms, the palms, fingers and the fingertips. Both your hands from the fingertips all the way up to the shoulders, and from the shoulders all the way up to the fingertips. Breathe in through your fingers all the way up to the shoulders. Breathe out from your shoulders all the way up to the fingertips. Your entire awareness is on both the hands. You are inhaling deeply through the hands and exhale. 5. Breathe out 25. Continue to count down until 1. If you are missing the count in between, you will restart from 27 again. Or if you finish counting again, restart from 27. Your mental counting, awareness and the breath are together on the hands. Relax the mental counting on your hands. Take your awareness to the throat center. Behind the throat, face, your chin, lower lip, upper lip, both the lips, cheeks, your nose, the right nostril, the left nostril, both the nostrils, tip of the nose, the bridge of the nose, right eyelid, left eyelid, right eye, left eye, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, eyebrow center, the forehead and the complete face, the complete face and the complete face. Relax your complete face. Right ear, left ear, back of the head, the top of the head, the whole of the body, from the top of the head to the tip of the toes. And again from your tip of the toes to the top of the head. Rotate your consciousness through your whole body, from the top of the head to the tip of the toes, and from the tip of the toes to the top of the head. Breathe in and breathe out as though you are breathing in from your toes to the top of the head, and from the top of the head to the toes. Breathe in deeply from the toes to the top of the head. Breathe out from your top of the head to the toes. Once again, start breathing in from your toes toes to the top of the head and mentally start counting 54. Breathe out from your top of the head to the toes and count 54. Breathe in deeply through your whole body and count 53. And breathe out through your whole body and count 53. Breathe in 52 and breathe out 52. Mentally count down until 1. If you miss the count in between, again you will restart from 54. Remember, you are breathing in from the toes all the way up to the top of the head, from the top of the head to the tip of the toes, along with the breath and the mental counting. Only these three together, nothing else. Your body is in a perfect stillness. You are mentally counting while you are breathing in from the tip of the toes to the top of the head. And mentally counting again from the top of the head to the tip of the toes. Continue the process. Slowly let go of the mental counting, whatever the number may be. Relax yourself and shift your awareness to the breath. The breath is more subtle, smooth and soft. Feel your breath, a joyful inhalation and exhalation. Feel the coolness of the incoming breath and the warmth of the outgoing breath. You are inhaling the positive energy and you are exhaling all the negativity. Inhale the positive energy from the cosmos and exhale all the negative energy. Inhale the positivity from the cosmos and exhale all your tensions. Inhale all the positive energy from the cosmos and exhale all your worries. Inhale all the positive energy once again from the cosmos and exhale. If any stiffness in your body, notice the breath. You are inhaling the cool breath in and exhaling the hot air with all the tensions, negativity in your body. Continue this process of breathing, inhaling the cool breath and exhaling the hot air. While you are inhaling the cold air and exhaling the hot air, get your awareness between the eyebrows and this is where our prana shakti is residing. By just gently turning the awareness to this point, you will awaken the pranic energy in your body. Keep your awareness between the eyebrow center and inhaling the cool air and exhaling the hot air. Notice any kind of vibrations and sensations in your body. If there are any emotions, let them come. You may be feeling like crying or laughing. Do not hold on to any emotions. Slowly take a long deep breath in and gradually breathe out. One more long and deep breath in. Gradually breathing out. Slowly externalize your mind. Become aware of the space in the room. Become aware of the objects in the room. Recall all the objects that you can, as though you have taken a photostat in your memory. Just recall the objects, their shape, color, externalizing your mind very slowly. One more long deep breath in and breathe out. Externalizing your mind and slowly start listening to the sounds coming from the environment. Listen to all the sounds that you can hear. Maybe the fan sound, the traffic sound, my voice, anybody talking at home. Just listen to all the sounds, externalizing your mind. Slowly, gentle movements in your head. Move your head right to left, slowly, very slow. And move your hands right to left. And move your legs. Slowly and gently, the movements in your body. And if you feel like, you may stretch your whole body. Lifting the hand, slowly stretch your whole body. Slowly and silently turn to your right side without making any noise. Slowly turning to your right side, keeping your right armpit on the ground. And your head is resting on the right arm. Be there for a couple of breaths. With the support of your hands, slowly sit up. Coming to Sukhasana. Bring your palms onto the knees, open to the ceiling. Make sure your spine is erect, the shoulders are relaxed. Keep a gentle smile on the face. Notice your whole mind. The mind is completely relaxed, peaceful. The mind is calm and steady. Om Asato Ma Satgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Mrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Very slowly and gently becoming aware of your body and the surroundings, keeping a beautiful smile on the face. Take a long deep breath in and breathe out with a bigger smile, becoming aware of your body and the surroundings. Whenever you feel complete and comfortable, you may slowly open your eyes. Gently open your eyes. You may look at your palms, relax yourself.